How to download BBC iPlayer on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you'll need to go to the App Store, so click on the Amazon Apps icon on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Once you're on the App Store, you want to click the top right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass. Then you want to type in BBC iPlayer. You should see the logo pop up. When you do, you can click on it. And then once you're on the BBC iPlayer page, you can click Get on the right hand side of the screen. And then you should see in the middle of the page, you should pop up saying free download, then the download button next to it. Click that green download button. Then depending on your Fire Tablet speed, it should take a few seconds or a few minutes to download. Then you can click open on this page here, or you can go to the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet, then click on the BBC iPlayer app. Then you can log into an existing account or create a new one to use the iPlayer account. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.